Hello, welcome to the ASFM Maths Core June 2023 paper. Here we're looking at question 3. We have a matrix here. Describe fully the single transformation A represented by matrix A. So because we've got a 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 in the x column and the x row, I know that this is going to be a matrix transformation that's going to rotate around the x axis, therefore changing the y and the z coordinates. So let's start off with a base set of coordinates on the YZ set of axes, and then it's going to be these two coordinates, looking at them vertically, is where they're going to end up. So we're going to call these coordinates A and B. Coordinate A is going to end up at that coordinate there, and coordinate B is going to end up at this coordinate here. Let's draw an image of that, and then we can have a look at what type of transformation it is. So it's going to be root 3 over 2 a half. This is where A has ended up, and minus a half root 3 over 2, so B has ended up here. I'm going to use B dashes and A dashes to represent the image of those coordinates. So it looks like it hasn't rotated much, and if you were to work that angle out, you would get 30 degrees. It's always either 30 or 45 or 60 or some addition of 90 of that. So the answer to this question here is it's a rotation 30 degrees anti-clockwise around the x-axis. We know it's around the x-axis because the x-axis doesn't change, because it's just identical to the identity matrix in its column and its row. Okay, let's move on to the next part then. Transformation B is represented by matrix B. Transformation A is followed by the transformation B is the transformation C, which is represented by matrix C. To determine matrix C, a student attempts the following matrix multiplication. State the error the student has made. The error the student has made is that they've multiplied the matrices in the wrong order. If you want to do transformation A followed by transformation B, you should multiply matrix B by matrix A, because then whatever coordinate matrix you're going to use, your transformation matrix A is closer to it, and i.e. will be performed first. So you've got to do matrix B multiplied by matrix A. Determine the correct matrix C. Okay then, so we're going to have to multiply matrix B by matrix A. We check this on the calculator afterwards. 1, 0, 0, 0, root 3 over 2 minus a half, 0, a half, root 3 over 2. Okay, so when you multiply these two matrices together, you go across the top one and down the second one. So using the top row and the first column, 1 add 0 is 1. 0 add 3 over 2 root 3 add 0 is 3 over 2 root 3. 0 minus 3 over 2, 0, so minus 3 over 2. Let's go straight to the answers now. So it's going to be root 3, 5 root 3 over 2, 15 over 2, 1 root 3 minus 1. There we are, that's the answer for this question here. So that's the total for question 3, worth a total of 4 marks. Let's now move on to question 4.